Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine getting extra money for your retirement just because you're saving. That's exactly what a 401k match is. Your employer puts money into your retirement account right alongside your own contributions. It's truly a valuable benefit, and it can significantly speed up your long-term savings goals. Think of it as a guaranteed return on your investment just for planning ahead wisely. So, how does it actually work? Most employers will match a percentage of what you contribute, up to a specific limit. For instance, they might offer to match 50 cents on every dollar you put in, up to 6% of your annual salary. This means if you contribute at least 6%, you get their full contribution, essentially doubling your initial savings up to that point. It's a common structure designed to encourage consistent saving. Now, here's a crucial point: vesting. This term simply means when the money your employer contributes actually becomes yours to keep. Some companies offer immediate vesting, which is great that money is yours the moment they contribute it. However, many others have a vesting schedule, meaning you gradually gain ownership over a few years of employment. It's important to understand your company's policy, especially if you plan to change jobs. The number one rule for your 401k match is simple: always contribute enough to get the full amount your employer offers. If you don't, you're literally turning down free money, which doesn't make much sense, does it? Even if you start small, hitting that match threshold can make a significant difference to your retirement nest egg over the decades. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your financial future. In essence, the 401k employer match is one of the best financial benefits you can possibly receive. It's free money, designed to help you build a more secure future. Take the time to understand your company's specific matching policy and make sure you're contributing at least enough to capture every single dollar they offer. Don't leave this valuable benefit on the table. Your future self will certainly thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.